Have your students ever described completing math equations like this? Relatable, which is why we've taken this occasion to talk about a more exciting way to teach algebraic expressions and equations, so your students don't feel like this when they walk out of your classroom. All right, let's dive in. Algebraic expressions like 2x plus 5 and equations like 2x plus 5 equals 33 are important fundamental concepts in math that students need to master. An easy way to remember this is that algebraic equations have equal signs. So how do equations relate to model rockets? Specifically, how could they be used to calculate model rocket acceleration? To better understand this, let's start with speed and velocity. Speed is the rate of change of position, or speed equals distance divided by time. In comparison, velocity includes direction and is calculated by taking displacement divided by time. Our essential question then uses acceleration, which is velocity divided by time. How does this relate to a model rocket? On the launch pad, the rocket has no acceleration because it has no velocity. As it lifts off, there's a positive acceleration and velocity is increasing. At apogee, the velocity and acceleration are 0. As the rocket descends, the acceleration is negative and the velocity is decreasing due to being slowed by the parachute. Using the unit, students can practice solving equations for speed, velocity, and acceleration. In the included PowerPoints, there are many practice problems for the class to complete, as well as additional practice in the student portfolio. But of course, the best part is launching rockets and using real flight data to solve equations. Students will compare acceleration data from 3 different rockets. They will use a mini altitrack to find the altitude of their rocket and a stopwatch to time the duration of the flight. Using this data? I can never decide. Students will calculate velocity and acceleration. Finally, students will reflect on how the mass of a rocket impacts its acceleration. Use model rockets as a tool to get your students excited about solving algebraic equations. With data-driven opportunities, students can apply math to hands-on experiences. Our unit plan will help you lead with confidence and ease and provide numerous examples and practice problems, so your students feel like this and not this. Take learning to new heights with Estes Education.